Hi everyone, so we have day 2 of the 30 days of PHP, and we're basically going to create a program that takes in a user's name and displays a personalized greeting. So we have here a folder created called day 2, and inside day 2 we created index.php. So now we start with this, creating HTML structure, and then we create a form and give it a method of post and create an input to take in the name and the ID and submit button. So this is how our form looks. Enter your name. So now when you go back to our code, we have here, we create a PHP if statement to request the method post, which is here, and then create a variable name and we fetch the name, and if the name is input in the field, we echo hello, then the particular name that was put in the form, and then a message, welcome to our website. So now here we have the form, so I'm just going to enter the name. So I'm just going to enter the name, Fanny, and click submit, and you can see hello Fanny, welcome to our website. So that is it.